Alright guys, I went to a shop in Orlando today, which is a little over an hour from me, called Last Pack Magic, and met a guy by the name of Cam, Cam to be specific, and picked up all this stuff here. Got this super cool poster type deal of Eevee, because you guys know Eevee's my favorite Pokemon. Got this Sea and Sky box, a Lost Origin ETB, a Dark Sylveon V collection box, and a Lance's Charizard V collection box, a Great Tusk Paldean Fates tin, and then I got a couple Eevee cards here, and also 10 packs of Surging Sparks. He's doing a deal right now, actually. 10 packs of Surging Sparks for 75 bucks. So I'm going to open up this little pack and show you what these cards were. You guys know Eevee and Eeveelutions are my favorite, so we've got the Glaceon V-Star, the Eevee, the Vaporeon, the Jolteon, which I have 2 of these now. I guess I'm just collecting those. And then the Flareon. Absolutely love these cards. I think the value is going to go up eventually on these. The Glaceon V-Star was the most expensive at 44 bucks market, which I paid market price on everything, which is fine. People are trying to run a business, you know. No point in beating them down, you know. They got bills to pay and mouths to feed. You guys know that Crown Zenith is one of my favorite sets of all time. So that's why we picked up the Crown Zenith. I'm not going to open the Lance's Charizard box. It just seems unjust at this point. I also promised Cam that I would keep that one sealed. But the reason that we made this pickup mostly was because of this Dark Sylveon V box right here. I've never opened Evolving Skies, and I've never opened Celebrations, so that is the plan for today. I let Cam pick all the boxes and all the packs because I have terrible luck, as you guys have seen on this channel. So let's see if we can get anything good out of here. Alright, so inside of here we get a Dark Sylveon V promo. Which we are going to sleeve up immediately. That looks pretty good. I don't know if you can see, but that looks pretty good. We're going to drop this in a top loader, since I have a top loader binder now. We're going to put all the PC cards are going to go in the top loader, and then everything that I do not want will go into a semi-rigid sleeve to get saved. Like, as you can see, this one here is cooked on the side. Other than that, it's actually in pretty good shape. In here we get 4 Celebrations packs with only 4 cards in it. one Fusion Strike, and an Evolving Skies. So we're going to save the Evolving Skies pack to the last. Then we get a little dark Pokemon description here. That's pretty cool. Almost like a poster. So I traded in $60 worth of cards and spent $485, I think, on all this stuff. Paying market price sucks, but it's the way that the world is now. These 4-card boosters are hard to open. Alright, I guess our rare was in the bag. Okay. They're all rares. They're all hollow rares. Obviously, we're looking for the Charizard. That's the chase for this pack. Alright, let's see. Xerneas, Cosmomim. It's like the same cards almost. Got a Veltal, a Zekrom, a Lugia, and a Flying Pikachu. I also collect Pikachu cards, Pikachu promos, all that stuff. Those are pretty much the top two things for me is base set, vintage. Here comes Team Rocket, and we got the Mew. Alright, not bad. I'm pretty happy with those cards. We're going to do Fusion Strike next, and Evolving Skies last. See that Gengar. Oh, geez. Which one was our rare? It was Maractus. Alright. Last Pack Magic, which is the name of the shop in Orlando by the Florida Mall. Go check them out. Cam was a nice guy, spent a lot of time with me, gave me some advice on what to buy if I wanted to rip. Alright, so no Moonbreon, no Gengar, no Charizard. That was pretty rough. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.